Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I want to talk about the airline industry and how it's doing poorly. Overall, recently it's been underperforming relative to the American market, S&P 500, due to recent circumstances and negative news. And overall sentiment, it's been very negative, and that's been shown in the stock itself. So taking a look at the news, you can see that flight attendants are being told to be on leave, and they only need a fraction of uh, what they originally needed. CEOs are cutting costs and saving cash. It's going down a bit. A lot of the airline companies are restructuring. So again, trying to cut costs, cut expenses, minimize their expenses just to stay afloat. And right now it's not really in a growth phase, but more so being in a survival phase. And in the next couple months, as the cash reserves of these companies get less and less, there's going to be some consolidation based on what analysts predict. And even looking at what Warren Buffett did, he sold a lot of his airline stocks. And knowing his investing style, he's a long-term investor. So he doesn't look at short-term volatility, but more so long-term how the company will be doing. And since Warren Buffett sold his positions in the Berkshire Hathaway Holdings Company, he doesn't believe in the airline industry in the long term. And fundamentally, the business has changed because no one wants to travel or can travel or feel safe to travel. And it won't be a while until it'll get back to normal capacity. So taking a look at JETS, ticker symbol JETS. This is a US global ETF. Current price is $12. Past year performance, doing very poorly, down 59%. Past 5 years, down 52%. So past 5 years, it was trending upward slowly, and all of a sudden, it took a sudden dip from $30 to $12. So that's very drastic drop. P ratio is negative. It's not doing well. Market cap is 590 million, and dividend yield is 3.22, which I think some of these companies will cut their dividend because they're trying to reserve their cash. So taking a look at the holdings of this JETS ETF, you can see that the top holdings include American Airlines at 12%, Southwest Airlines 11%, Delta Airlines 9.69%, United Airlines 9.59%. So those are the top 4 holdings in this ETF. Now taking a look at the individual stocks, the top holdings, let's take a look at Delta Airlines. Currently at $19.22. Past year, down 65%. Past 5 years, down 58%. Very similar to the JETS ETF, it took a significant dip. Taking a look at analyst ratings, 63% give it a buy, 37% give it a hold, 0% sell. Current market cap, 12.24 billion. Taking a look at American Airlines, ticker symbol AAL. This is priced at $8.94. Past year performance down 72%, which is very drastic. Past 5 years down 81%. Market cap at $3.82 billion. And a lot of analysts give it a sell at 42%, 37% give it a hold rating, and 21% give it a buy. Next is Southwest, ticker symbol LUV. currently priced at $23, almost $24, down 54%. Past 5 years, down 44%. Current market cap is $14 billion. And in terms of buy rating, 47.4%, hold rating, 47%, and sell, give it a 5%. Last but not least is United Airlines. Ticker symbol UAL, currently priced at $19.93, down 75%. In past 5 years, down 68%. Market cap is $5.79 billion. 53% give it a buy rating, 47% give it a hold. So out of these 4 stocks, I think the top 2 I'm interested in is Delta Airlines and Southwest. But even then, I don't plan on starting any positions soon. If anything, I would probably look at more of the manufacturers like Boeing, ticker symbol BA, or Airbus, ticker symbol. Let's see, what's Airbus ticker symbol? EADSY. And between 2, I'm actually looking at Boeing. But even then, I don't plan on getting into this industry or increasing any of my positions in these stocks. I don't think it's a good long-term hold at the moment. And fundamentally, the business has changed. Transportation in the air has decreased drastically, and company CEOs are trying to cut costs, trying to just maintain, stay afloat, not file for bankruptcy. They're just trying to just stay alive as a business, and it may get back to capacity. It may take a couple years before it gets back to normal capacity, and it's going to be a while. And until then, I feel like there's better positions to get into, so that's why I don't think airline stocks are a buy. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on the airline industry and stocks? Comment down below. Remember to use more links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.